Okay, let's dive into this explainer on mastering the scalp preparation protocol. And this brilliantly illustrates your ultimate insider advantage. While most people install right over buildup, you prepare first.
So the crucial point is this simple 3-step routine: extract, purify, and restore. It'll completely transform your hair.
Let's move to and see how this builds. Step 1 is the extract mineral cleanse to remove buildup.
Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of water into a paste, then apply it directly for 15 minutes.
Now what's really interesting about this slide is never let the clay fully dry. It causes severe dryness.
Right after cleansing, we hit step 2, the Purify Oil Elixir. This instantly restores softness to your scalp.
You literally only need 3 to 6 drops. It's a super minimal targeted application that's perfect for complete beginners.
Always use way less than you think. This lightweight oil spreads incredibly easily across dry or tight areas.
Finally, step 3 is the Restore Botanical Infusion. This core pre-styling step completely refreshes your scalp's feel. Beginners have 2 easy choices here. Mix it with water and rinse, or apply lightly as a finishing step.
Quick safety check to protect those results. Always rinse thoroughly, don't overuse the oil, and definitely patch test first.
There's also an optional post-install step. Spray the Velvet Clean Mist 6 inches away for a totally fresh scent.
So are you finally ready to stop installing over buildup and master this absolute game changer of a prep routine?